Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech Tricks World. In this video, I will explain how you can make an AI video presenter and use that in your videos. Generally, when you don't want to show your face in your videos, the AI video presenters can do the job well for you. So let's find out how we can do that. First of all, type deep reel video in Google and hit enter. Now click the first result and you will land on deepreel.com website that allows you to create AI generated avatar videos. On the website, click login, then enter your email address and click login. The platform will send verification code to your email. So go to your email, copy the code and now paste the code here and it will log you in. There you will see so many options. Click on generate and then click video. On the next page, click on background and choose the color green. We are creating an AI presenter video with green screen so that we can remove the background later and use that in any of our videos. Now click avatar and select your avatar. I'm selecting Ellie. Now it is time to write the script for the voiceover. Let's make a small video on the topic facts about the tigers. I'm making here a small one just to demonstrate this video. You can make the video as per your requirements. So I will first write the intro like this. And then I'll go to Google Bard and search for tiger facts. And then copy and paste the 1 or 2 facts there in the script and format as we like it to speak. As I click on generate video, it gives me character limit alert. So I will remove some extra text from the script. Remember, I'm just removing randomly, but when you will create, you should take care the limit in the mind and create accordingly. In free version, you don't get much though. Thus, if you want to use it professionally for your work, you should go for premium plans. Anyway, after removing the text, again click on generate video. Now you can see the video is generating here. It takes a few minutes, so you will have to wait. After some time, when it is done, click the video to play it and see how it is.
Camouflage in their environment. The stripes are unique to each tiger, much like human fingerprints.
Let's download this video. Now, we have to download some tiger clips. Make sure the clips are royalty free. So let's go to pexels.com and select videos. Now, here I am typing tigers to find some videos. You will see a lot of royalty free tiger videos when you type tiger in the search box. Download a few as per your choice. Okay, so done. Now we have the AI presenter video with audio and also few tiger clips with us. Let's go to the video editing tool that you use. I use Filmora, so let's launch it. I choose widescreen video under selecting aspect ratio. Now import the AI presenter video and tiger clips to Filmora. So we imported 2 tiger clips and 1 video presenter video to Filmora. Now drag both tiger clips on the video timeline and remove any audio they may have, as we do not want sound from those videos. Moreover, if you want to keep, you can do that too. Now drag and drop the green screen AI presenter video on the timeline in upper row like this. Now click on green screen button, which you can see here, and then enable the chroma key. You will see that the green screen is removed now, but the background tiger clip looks foggy. So increase the tolerance level to maximum or as per your requirement using these settings. Now resize and adjust the video presenter. I'm putting it in this side of the video. Also, let's cut out the extra parts of the clip. And that's it, you are done. Now let's watch this video in full size and see how it is.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel. I am Ellie, and in this video, I am going to tell you some facts about tigers. Number 1. Tigers are the largest cats in the world, with males reaching up to 13 feet long and weighing up to 1660 pounds. Number 2. Tigers have a striped coat that helps them camouflage in their environment. The stripes are unique to each tiger, much like human fingerprints.
This way, you can make great videos using such AI presenter that will not only allows you to show avatar but voiceover too. I made this video small just for the demonstration purpose. You can make longer videos as well. I have used deepreel.com and Filmora to create this video. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.